say, can you see? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashleigh here, and if you are new, welcome. I do a lot of home decor DIYs, shop with me, thrift with me, hauls, furniture flips, you name it, I do it. So if those are things that you like, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Today in this video, I have something so exciting for you guys. Literally, I feel like I have not done a shop with me, thrift with me, or even a haul video in a very long time. So today, that's what we're gonna do. I went into Michael's and I got these, like, I'm calling them mystery bags because I absolutely do not know what is inside of them. So we are all going to be surprised together because literally I don't know what is in these bags. I'm not quite sure if all Michaels do this, but the Michaels in Columbia, because that's where I was this past week, do this. And I just thought it would be so fun to just grab these bags because they were only $4. So this is the tag. It just says grab bag and it's clearance $4, and then it tells you, of course, no coupons, no discounts, no whatever, no all sales final, blah blah blah. So instead of going into the clearance section and like searching through World War III, let me tell you, because it's always messy, I was just like, wow, let me just grab these bags. So I don't know if this is just what they do in Columbia or if this is something new that Michael's is doing, but I think it's kind of cool. So let's get into it. All right, so we're going to be opening up our first bag here. Again, I have no clue what is inside. I mean, a few of the things I kind of can figure out. There's a little hole already poked in. Kind of figure out like what it is, but I'm not all the way sure. So come on, we're gonna open it now. All right, so this is our first bag. And what they did is they bagged like other things so you can't really see inside. So this is the first item that I got. Keep in mind, I think I'm gonna keep tabs of how much this stuff is really and how much, of course we all know I got this for like $8 plus tax, but I got all of this stuff for $8, but we're gonna rack up the total at the end and see how much I saved. We got this, it says cheers, and I have it the wrong way, so cheers. So it says cheers. Cute. I don't like the fact that it's blue, but that's okay because we can spray paint it. But this says cheers, and that's the first item. So the next thing, it says love. I love you. It's love. So it's the same exact thing, and it says love. Retailed at $6.99, and it says love. The next thing is these eggs. Okay, so these eggs, they're actually pretty cute. They are like metallic-y colored, if you can see. And they're all different colors. So, can use this in a DIY, an Easter DIY. We can use this. Next thing are, why am I saying are? The next thing is, I don't know what this is. You put these on your shoes, which I don't really wear tennis shoes, and I would not wear these, but they're cute. They're just like tennis shoe charms, and this is shoestring. It's puppy paws, dog paws, and then they have these little pins. So this is normally, how much is it? It doesn't have a price. Oh, maybe we can't rack these up, guys. We might not be able to see the full amount because I don't see a price on here. Anyways, all right, we got another one. It says nothing. It does say treat yourself. I love that. Treat yourself. Treat yourself, eat dessert. So these are shoestring charms with the shoestrings. Cute. Cute girl. Cute girl. So we have another one, and it says fries before guys. Gotta eat them fries. So fries before guys. It says food. Cute. Cute girl. Cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those, but anyways, okay. And then it is a stamp. Spring has sprung. Stamp, cute little stamp. Don't know when I'm gonna use it, but it's okay because the whole bag was $4. We have washi tape, I believe that's what this is, and it's like a green plaid colored washi tape. Go. There we go. And then, oh, say, can you see? So I don't know what this is. Hold on, let's see. It's just a little prick thing, I guess. You can put in somewhere. It's red, white, and blue. Can use it for maybe a craft next year. Ooh, ooh. Okay. So, what is this? I don't know what this is. Okay, so it's a hair barrette for a doll baby, which I don't have any doll babies. And you can switch out the bows. Definitely not gonna use this. We have tiny bells. Tiny bells here. They're cute. Cute. Maybe I can use them for something. I don't know. Got this huge stamp. Never gonna use it, but it's cute. It says warmest wishes. Cute. So we got 2 stamps so far. Okay, then cards and envelopes. Now this is cute. It's Valentine's Day cards. It's a heart and it has a face on it, and it comes with the little cute square envelopes in the back. Cute. These are cute. I'm not even gonna lie. You're so sweet. This is cute. This is cute now with the little cupcake, and then look at the little glittery envelopes that come with them. It's a set of 8. That is cute. I like that one. Now, I got a charm. This is a cute little charm. This is really pretty. Man, you can't really see it, but it's cute and blinged out. So you can add this to a necklace or something. I don't know. It's nickel free. I got a J. Boho Holiday. It is a J. This is J. Yes, it's a J. It's cute. Now this is cute. I honestly, my name doesn't start with a J, not even my middle name or my last name. So honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Stop. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at these earrings. Can we just, oh my gosh, I have to put these on. Like, first of all, I don't wear earrings because they bother my ears, and they have to be like real earrings or something, because if I wear the other earrings, they like really hurt. Oh gosh, this is funny. Bam! Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas. Like my earrings? Cute, boo. Cute. Let's continue, shall we? Ooh, I got another pair of earrings. These are cute too. They're like turquoise. I can never say that name right. Or maybe they're just not. They're just blue. Anyways, they're cute too. It says nickel free. I mean, I don't know. I just think that I can't wear earrings. Oh gosh. Okay. Paper pad. Oh, these are cute. Okay, definitely can use these in a DIY. It's just a paper pad, and they have different prints, and they are like raised. I'm gonna open this. They're raised prints, so they're cute, and they have different ones for Valentine's Day. Okay, so this is cute. I like this. Yes, boo. Then Sculpey. I don't know. I think this, I don't know. It's a Sculpey. So I guess it's molding clay. Not sure. Okay, I don't know. So, this is a necklace. It's cute. Oh, this is a cute necklace. I like the color and the gold with it. I got a lot of jewelry. This is cute. Should I do a giveaway? Should I do a giveaway on some of this stuff? Because, I mean, I did just reach over 5K. Hey. Thank you guys so much for that. You guys are awesome. All my new and old subscribers, you guys are amazing. I like literally thank you. So then I got these buttons. These are cute. They're like kitty, but they're pretty. They're pretty. It's butterflies and flowers. Oh gosh, I have so many earrings. Literally, I have the same pair of earrings. They're cute. Then, ooh, I love, these are really pretty. I love that color. It's like a greenish blue. It's really pretty. Those are pretty. I like those. All right, so that was our first bag, and now we are on to our second bag. So let's see what's inside. I think we got good stuff in this one. So again, I have the letter I. It's spring. It's a spring from the spring collection, I guess. So it's an I. It's really cute. Of course, it's distressed. Y'all know I love distressed stuff. Let me fix myself. And then what is this? Okay, it says wall decor, sand and sea. So it's a tassel, it's a pretty tassel. I love this blue color. It's pretty. It's a tassel. Don't really know how this would be wall decor, but hey. Then I got a Q. Q, y'all. Nothing in my name is a Q. No Q. But this is cute. So this is cute. It's a Q. So this is a Q. Oh no. This is an O. So it's an O, guys. And this is really cute. And then here's the last thing that came in this bag. And it is this. It is a magnetic wall word. And it says love. Now this is really pretty. It's cute as can be. So I guess like the word love is the magnet, and then it comes with these 3 magnets here, and you can just put your pictures on there. You probably can buy more magnets, but it just comes with 3. But this is cute. So that's all that we got in these bags. I think I did an okay job. I know for a fact that all of this stuff costs well over $8. So with that being said, I'm a winner with that. Honestly, some of the stuff I can use for DIYs, other things I cannot. So I will probably be doing a DIY. I probably will be doing a DIY with the stuff that I can't use, guys. No, I'll probably maybe be giving some of this stuff away. Honestly, especially like these, because first of all, let's just be real. I would never use these because I honestly have no need to use them. These earrings, which are very beautiful with the necklace and everything, again, I can't use them. I told you guys I can't wear these earrings. I can't. And all this other stuff, so even these. So if you guys have kids of your own, or grandchildren, nieces, nephews, and I'm really considering maybe doing a giveaway, because honestly, especially stuff like this, I can't. The J, which is cute, but I honestly can't use it. So I don't know. So like if your name starts with an I or an O or a Q or a J, or you want some earrings or something, comment down below. Let me know. If you are interested in these, let me know, because I will definitely be giving them away. So whatever I put up in this video that you like, let me know, and I can totally send it to you as a giveaway gift. Because like I said, I reached over 5K, and I want to say, honestly, for real, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of my subscribers. You guys are all amazing. You guys, I make and create this content for you, so you guys can have budget-friendly DIYs. Also, my furniture flips for people that are interested in, trying to flip furniture or just purchase some like inexpensive piece and turn it into something beautiful for your home. I make these videos for you guys, and I really truly appreciate all of you. But yes, I'm giving these away. giving it away. So if you need to look back in the video, see what you want, just put it down in the comments and let me know. Yes, that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.